Rootgrow is a one-off miraculous treatment that will support your plants for life. Whether you're planting roses, shrubs, trees, edibles, bare roots, this will give them their best possible start. Rootgrow is a mycorrhizal fungi underground magic that has been proven to increase the active root area of plants by up to 700 times in one single month. Rootgrow is ecological and organic and endorsed by the RHS. It bonds with the plant's roots to allow the uptake of food, water, nutrients to be even faster. And that creates a stronger, healthier, more resilient plant from day one. Application is so easy. You can either sprinkle it into the potting hole, or if it's a bare root, you can actually add it directly. That increases cohesion. And you only need as little as 10 grams per plant, and it's a one-off application. So the 60-gram bag can treat up to 6 plants, but by far the best value is the big 360-gram sachet. So this simple one-off application sets your plants up for life and gives them their best possible start. And of course, it's endorsed by the RHS.